Culture says stand. Culture says be defiant. Don't just light a match when you can become the fire. Be as bright as yellow and be the sun. Let people know that for the body to make sense, you must become the source. You must stand as strong as human rock. Go to your roots and make sure you rise as the Europe. We have over 500 languages, so feel free to become the multilingual. Prepare near the Afrobeat, so break your backs like Atiluku dances. There are many dying techniques, but make sure you come out as I do. Be bold in Ashoke and don't forget the game. We are too original to be anything less. What we have is real and authentic. This is how I see Niger. What do you see?
Bida in Niger State, Nigeria, is the ancestral home of the Nupe people. It is also a very important town in Niger State. The town is famed for its brass works, a traditional occupation for many Nupe indigents. Brass work was introduced to ancient Bida settlement in the 18th century during the reign of Itsu Usman Zaki, the then paramount ruler. Today, brass makers in Bida are concentrated in Bungbofu, Swatako, and Swata Mukung areas. A visit to a brass making shop gives us an insight on how these talented craftsmen achieve their masterpiece.
We use the brass work for the first, when it starts, we start at bangles, necklace, and earrings. So when the work is coming up, ideas will be different. You'll be having different things to do. Then, like we are now doing press balls that you can use to present as a gift.
Zinc and copper are the dominant raw material for brass making. The proportions of the copper and zinc are varied to yield different brass stocks. Today, the craftsmen of Bida have introduced smelting of aluminium products to their brass making heritage, owing to the shortage of raw materials for brass. Be it brass or aluminium, the manufacturing process involves combining the appropriate raw materials into a molten metal, which is allowed to solidify. The molten metal is later beaten into required shapes and sizes over an anvil using a small hammer. Finally, the craftsmen painstakingly fashion their designs. It is only amazing how they do this with no preliminary sketches. The finished products are useful in our daily lives, for worship, for occasions, for sports, as well as decorations and kitchen utensils.
This is the finished ones that we have done. This is a spoon. Okay. We call it Banturu. It's one of our products.
For tourists visiting Bida, souvenirs are available in the form of earrings, bangles, and rings.